Welcome to Raching Cars, your ultimate destination for car enthusiasts. Today, we bring you the stunning 2025 modified Toyota Corolla Cross, a perfect blend of modern design, performance, and technology. This latest version comes with an aggressive aerodynamic body kit, blacked-out grille, sharp LED headlights, and 19-inch alloy wheels, giving it a bold and sporty presence. Under the hood, it features a 2.0L hybrid engine paired with an eCVT transmission, delivering excellent fuel efficiency and a smooth ride. The suspension is upgraded for better ground clearance and road grip, making it suitable for urban and light off-road driving. Inside, the cabin is a fusion of luxury and technology, featuring a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, a 10.5-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and premium leather seats with red stitching. The ambient lighting and panoramic sunroof add a premium touch, while advanced safety features like Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 ensure maximum protection. This modernized Corolla Cross is not just a crossover, it's a statement of future mobility. Thanks for watching Raching Cars. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of the latest automotive marvels.